Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to turn off blue light on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you want to do is scroll down from your top right where there is Wi-Fi button. Scroll it down and you can see the level of brightness you can adjust. So click on it, long tap on it, and as you can see here you see night shift. If you click on night shift, then automatically you will turn off the blue light on your iPhone and you can watch your phone during the night and your eyes will be soothed. Now you want to keep this night shift on in the night but do not want to keep it on in the daytime. We have a simple fix for that. So what you want to do is go to your settings, then on your settings you want to go to your display, because that's where it is, display and brightness here. And then you can see that my phone is on, not on true tone, and night shift is also on. So turn it on and keep it on schedule. So when do you want to turn it on? From 22, that is 10 o'clock, to 7 o'clock. And you can also control the more warm or less warm, how less warm you want it to get, but I recommend keeping it on the normal settings. So you can also manually enable until tomorrow. So when you turn this night shift on, you can see on until 7 p.m. or off until 10 p.m. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to turn off your blue light on your iPhone if you want to see your phone in the night. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.